Hey guys, welcome to this video. I am making this video about my Rebel 1100, just kind of follow up on my experience with it. This is my second season with it. Because last year, I got it last year. So literally, I got it I think it was like March of 2025, no, May of 2025. I passed my MSF course and I bought the bike. But I didn't ride it that much. I rode it a couple times. The odometer's at 200. It was at 200 starting the season this year. And one of the reasons why I didn't ride it much is because, to be honest and quite frank with you guys, the bike does scare me a little bit because I've never ridden a motorcycle in my life. Like, the only time I've ridden a motorcycle was on the MSF course. So I think I am that dude that bought the 1000cc bike, though I don't think it's 1000cc like a sports bike, but definitely it's probably more than what's recommended for a rookie. But second season here, I can say that I have definitely gotten more comfortable with the bike. Literally, I haven't ridden it since last year, and I got back on it, and it was like nothing. It's like I didn't forget anything. I'm comfortable with it. Is it a bike for a first-time rider? I don't think so. I don't think so because it's a big bike. I could have probably gotten a lot more seat time on a 500. But I wouldn't have been as happy. When I come home and I look at it in my garage, it makes me happy. Just looking at it. And if I come home looking at a 500, I probably wouldn't have been. I would have wanted to upgrade. I would have always been thinking about this bike. So I'm glad I got it. I have a lot of respect for the bike, for the power that it has. I definitely don't want to drop it. I definitely don't want to fall out of the bike. So I'm very careful with it. I have a lot of respect for it. Definitely, now that I have put this little windshield on the bike that I'm about to show in a little bit, the riding experience has also increased a lot. Now I don't feel like the wind is trying to blow me off of the bike, only at highway speeds, but highway speeds, I think the fastest I've gone has been like 60. So anything below that is comfortable. I'm cool with the bike. So, I haven't really done any upgrades. I'm probably going to do an exhaust just so I can, even though it sounds great, I'm probably going to do an exhaust some point this year. But anyway, thank you so much for the people that subscribe to my channel. I have no idea that it could happen, but thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna keep making more content, and I appreciate it. Love you guys. Peace.